Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn to draw one of my favorite storybook characters of all time. It's the pigeon! From Mo Willems' series Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus and the many other wonderful, hilarious stories he has created about this pesky little pigeon that just doesn't want to take no for an answer. He's awesome. And look, this book has a silver award on it, and that is because it won an award for illustrations. So let's celebrate artists who make pictures for books. They're called illustrators, and we're gonna do some pigeon illustrating today. It's so easy and so fun, and I can't wait to see all the fun pigeon problems you can create with your art. All right, have fun. Turn your paper long and tall and get something to draw with. I'm using a big black crayon. We want to find the space that's in the top part of the paper, not the tippy top, but right about there. Draw a great big dot. Color the dot so it's nice and big. Then draw a circle around your dot, like that. Draw another circle, a big circle, around that circle. Now it looks like a target. Next, draw 2 lines straight down, right about there. This will be the pigeon's long neck. Turn one line into a capital L. At the bottom of the other line, draw a great big U shape, like that. Then draw 2 more lines straight down for the pigeon's feet. Don't forget to add toes. Next, decide what side of the head you want the beak to be. Either one is okay. Draw a line out and back to make a triangle. Then draw a line inside of that triangle, like that. For the wing, draw a curved U shape, then a straight line back, like that. Last but not least, draw 2 straight lines on his neck to make his white collar stripe. Then you get to do the really fun creative part. Add some details. Think about what funny situation your pigeon could be in. My pigeon has something on his mind, something he would love to do. Let's see what it is.